Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to our channel with another video, and this is the first episode of my series Life in the UK, the most awaited series on my channel. This test is needed to the students those are seeking for the nationality after being in the UK for 3 to 4 years. Now they want to apply for the nationality in the UK. They need to pass life in the UK test to apply for their nationality. In today's video, I'm going to guide you people, I'm going to inform you people that what will happen in this test overall. Like what sort of questions will be asked, how many questions, and how many questions do you people need to correct to pass this test. And the questions those they will ask you, those will be asked in this test will be related to what things. So without wasting any time, let me start guiding you people. First of all, the first question that comes to me from my students is that, sir, how many questions are there in life in the UK test? So there are 24 questions. 24 questions. Then students ask me, sir, out of 24, how many questions do we need to correct to pass this test? So the answer of this question is 18 questions. It means 70% of the test should be passed. 70% of the questions should be given correct answer. Then students ask me, sir, okay, what type of questions will these be? MCQs, fill in the blanks, true false. So most of the times MCQs can be sometimes true false, can be fill in the blanks, but most oftenly MCQs. Later on, after this video, I will come with the full test of life in the UK. You people have to keep watching those tests to improve your skills for this test, life in the UK. Now I'm going to guide you people that what are the chapters or what are the things about which or related to which they can ask you questions, or the questions can be related to what things. Number one, the values and principles of the UK. At least 5 out of 24 questions will be related to the values and principles of the UK. Values and principles of the UK. Okay? At least 5 questions will be related to this topic. The second chapter, the second thing related to which the questions can be is the very long history of the UK. History of the UK, simply history of the UK, United Kingdom. You have to remember the most important thing. What is the UK? What is the UK? Okay, what is the UK? You have to find the answer of this question, right? Okay, number 3, third chapter is a modern thriving society. Modern society. The questions will also be related to modern society. 5 to 6 questions. Number 4, government laws and your role. Government's laws and your role. Number 5, traditions and everyday life. So viewers, these are the 5 areas related to which they can ask you questions. The questions will be related to these 5 areas. The questions cannot be related to any other topic. These are the 5 areas related to which the questions will be. Okay, and I have informed you people that questions will be in the shape of MCQs. Now another thing, some students ask me that sir, if we are from Scotland, if we are from basically from Scotland, our husband is from Scotland, and they are asking us about the Parliament of Wales. Can they do so? So the answer is no. If the candidate is from Wales, they will ask, the questions can be related to the Parliament of the Wales. If Scotland, then Scotland, and same, okay, in Northern Ireland. Okay, so this was my introductory video for life in the UK test. Next time I'll come with a full test of life in the UK. Wait for that video. Keep watching my channel, subscribe it, share it, like it, and do not forget to comment yes here. Okay, see you then. Allah Hafiz. Pakistan Zindabad.